Hi everyone, TOUS LES JOURS, famous French bakery. It has opened the first store in South Korea in 1988. And has since expanded to more than 1.650 stores worldwide. In 2004, they opened in United States, and since then their reputation has developed. For us, this place is not only to enjoy coffee and bread but also the ambience. We can spend hours when we come here sometimes, for working or chilling or meetings with friends. We hope this video may help you to find other place to chill. Work or spend time with family or friends. Not only that you may enjoy the coffee and breads.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.